Hey travelers! Check out the Olympia U.S.A. Denmark 3-piece luggage set featuring 22, 26, and 30-inch suitcases made from a durable and lightweight ABS and PC blend. These hard-sided suitcases resist scratches and dents while staying light for easy travel. Each piece expands by 2 inches, offering 30% more packing space with a fully padded interior to protect your belongings. The smart organization includes 2 compartments, a zippered mesh pocket, and adjustable buckle tie belt straps to keep everything neat. Glide smoothly on any surface with the 360-degree dual spinner wheels and maneuver effortlessly using the push-button aluminum handle. Plus, enjoy the patented utility hook for hands-free carrying and a hidden laptop compartment in the 22-inch carry-on. This luggage set combines style, function, and innovation for your next trip. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.